Diesel World Truck Sales. Why buy new? Shop Diesel World Truck Sales and save thousands. Call now 1-877-249-3495, 1-603-382-3380. Always 140 trucks in stock ready to go. We have diesels, dumps, and dualies, featuring used Power Stroke diesel, Duramax diesel, and Cummins diesel. We're open 7 days. We have easy financing. Financing for all credit levels. Low rates are available. Located conveniently between Manchester, New Hampshire, Boston, Massachusetts, and Portland, Maine. Check back often. Inventory changes daily. Don't delay. Call now. 1-877-249-3495. 1-603-382-3380. Mention this ad. Receive a $50 gas card with truck purchase. Our full-service diesel repair center has 8 bays to service what we sell.